Class 2, Part 5, 4. Center creation. Another very key responsibility of a state coordinator is center creation. What is a center? A center is an administrative unit, in a specific location for a target group. It is also an office space donated by a partner for administrative purpose. It is also a meeting point for members of the foundation. In summary, a center is a space donated by a partner to TLSID Foundation as a meeting point for members in that geographical area, for administrative and conventional purposes. It is also known as an administrative unit in the foundation. 5 tiers of administration in the TLSID Foundation. There are 5 tiers of administration in the foundation, namely: 1. Center. A center is the smallest unit of administration in the foundation. It is the meeting point of members in a geographical area. It is created in communities, local governments areas, towns, villages, etc. We get centers through donations by individuals, groups, corporate bodies, communities, ministries, or government bodies. It is only used for meetings and for administrative functions. A center is headed by a community care worker, CCW. 2. Group center. A group comprises of 3 or more centers in a particular region. Groups are created for administrative purposes and groupings are made by the state coordinator. A group is led by a group coordinator. 3. Chapter. A chapter comprises of 2 or more groups in a state. A chapter is a pioneering stage of a zone. A chapter is led by an assistant state coordinator or state coordinator as the case may be. 4. Zone center. A zone is a larger and well-established chapter comprising of more than 5 groups with 1 or more subordinate chapters. A zone is led by a state coordinator with 1 or more assistant state coordinators. 5. Regional center. A region comprises of 3 or more chapters and zones. A region is led by a regional manager. 6. National office. This structure comprises of all the regions in a nation or state. It is managed by the National Management Committee. This committee comprises of the regional managers and the top management staff. This structure is led by the managing director. Other executives in this structure are the deputy managing director, national legal advisor, project manager, human resources manager, finance manager, head of partnership, and regional managers. 7. The international office. This is the global administrative structure, regulating the activities of all national offices in TLSID Foundation. This tier comprises of all national offices in TLSID Foundation. It is managed by the Executive Committee, led by Chief Executive Officer. Other executive members are the Executive Director of Programs, Executive Director of Human Resources, Executive Legal Advisor, Representative, Executive Director of Partnership, Executive Director of Finance, and Managing Directors. 8. Governing Body. The governing body are also known as the Board of Trustees. They regulate the activities of the Executive Committee. They appoint the Chief Executive Officer and other members of the Executive Committee. This body is led by the President of the Foundation. Other offices in the trustees are the Office of the Vice President, Secretary General, the Treasurer, the Accountant General, the Legal Attorney, and other members of the trustees. We'll discuss other details of center creation in the next class.